Hi, and welcome to the Tech Bunker and Vault. Today we're going to talk about the various DIY kits that the Tech Bunker has and why you should check them out. Let's get started. What are DIY kits, and why do we have them? So DIY kits are often kits with all the equipment, tools, and instructions needed to complete a project. These projects can range from robotics, programming, circuitry, and more. DIY kits are also a great introduction to various disciplines, such as circuitry, engineering, physics, coding, design, and more. Since there's such a wide range of DIY kits, there are also options for beginners and advanced users. We have DIY kits that utilize Raspberry Pi and Arduino, which is a great way to learn about their functionalities if you're a beginner. If you're not sure about what a Raspberry Pi or Arduino can do, check out our page on these items to learn more about them. So what kind of DIY kits does the Tech Bunker and Vault have? Well, as we discussed earlier, we have all kinds of DIY kits that support circuitry, programming, design, and more. Let's go over some of our DIY kits that we have at the Tech Bunker. Our first DIY kit is the Joy Labs Makey Makey kit. This is a fairly simple and straightforward DIY kit, so it's a great STEM kit for beginners. There's no programming knowledge needed and also no software that needs to be installed. This DIY kit allows you to turn everyday objects into a touchpad simply by connecting them through alligator clips to the Makey Makey. When you interact with them, whether that's through a banana, a piece of Play-Doh, or whatever you can imagine, the Makey Makey translates that to the computer keyboard. Because of this, you can use it as a game controller, you can make music through it, and you can do much more through that. Next up is the AIY Vision Kit. This kit from Google lets you build your own intelligent camera that can see and recognize objects using machine learning. All of this fits in just a little cardboard cube, and it's powered by a Raspberry Pi. Everything you need is provided in the kit, including the Raspberry Pi. Because it uses the Raspberry Pi, this may be more suitable for more advanced users or people who have used a Raspberry Pi before. However, if you're interested in being introduced to Raspberry Pi, this could be a useful DIY kit since it has step-by-step instructions. The last DIY kit we'll talk about is the Saltwater Fuel Cell Monster Truck Kit. This kit is a great beginner's robotics kit since it has no programming skills or instructions needed. This Saltwater Fuel Cell Monster Truck Kit is a four-wheel drive mechanical construction that is flexible and adjustable to different terrains. You can simply assemble and plug it in with connectors to see how the robotics truck can work just by running on salt water. This kit is great for learning about new forms of clean energy while also building and powering the kit just through salt water. The Tech Bunker and Vault has so many other DIY kits besides the ones that I've featured here in this video. If you're interested in learning about our other DIY kits or gaining access to them, please feel free to contact the Tech Bunker or Vault at the below email.